Okay, good evening po sa inyo mga basketball fans. Welcome ulit po sa ating final game for the Saturday basketball action. This time around po, playing po ng maroon or brown is Team CAS, the defending champion, versus the new kid in town, or the new team po, dan po ang Team QR Projects, or shall we say now, the Projects. This is your host with you, Armin G Vlogs, and thank you pala po sa QB para Pool of Referees po, or say SPB po for keeping the game in a neat and orderly fashion, headed by Ref King. Good evening po sila po, ako si Armin G Vlogs with you, and you're watching right now the final game for the Saturday basketball action between, nandiyan po ang, of course, CAS playing maroon or brown uniform po sila, brown combination, versus nandiyan po ang Team QR Projects are playing white po yan. First quarter action is about to start right now. Calling now all the starters. Ingat po sa ingat. Sarso ingat. Sir Duma. Idol. Ingat idol. Si Bini, take care. Okay, first quarter action. Sa CAS po, si 22, si Umas, si number 9, Opulencia, si 28 po. And of course, nandiyan po si Isa. Sa kabila na po, of course, si Villalava, si number 0, si number 15, and of course, si 76, si Jain, at si number 15. And number 16, Arcamo. Yan. Yung Visto Brothers muna, mamaya na natin papasok yan. Okay, Isa versus number 0 for the opening tip-off. Okay. Tap now, won now by the CAS. Isa uminang bola. No, it's Gozum. 2 points. Gozum 2 points kagad. Binigay kagad. Villalaba. Gozum 2 points kagad. Ang kinala ng bata. And si Jain, posisyon, Villalaba, walang takot, number 0, foul called. Okay. Number 22 called for the foul ng CAS. Okay, yan po si Semil, number 0, first shot made. Second throw jumpers, ready po tayo. Pops up. Nice stroke po. Nandyan si Isa for the rebound. Then si Umas. Umas, number 15 ng CAS. Gozum. Umas. And Clark. Umas. Driving strong. Outer shot. No good. Si Mil. Naka-rebound. Kick pass. Kay Villalaba. Malakas ang pektos. Nandun si Gozum. Umas. Isa, driving strong. Wala. Okay. Foul number, jersey number 15. Isa shooting for 2 ng CAS, or the Maroon Boys or Brown Boys po yan. First shot made. The score is 3-1 at 9:07 remaining. Second shot. Both basket made no. Again, eto na. Si Villalaba, number 99. Villalaba, tap away. Semil, palpal. Traveling violation kay Semil. Semil called for the travel. Clark. Umas. 8:44 remaining. Umas. 8:41 remaining. And Gozum. Umas. Traveling ka doon, boy. Huli ka doon, boy. Umas called for the travel. And Semil for the inbound. Semil, yan. Ref Melvin, nandyan. Sabi ni Montesilio, let's go Projects. Nasa ka ba, Montesilio? Pops up. No good. Semil. Jain pops up. No good. Rebound si Mil. Again, malakas naman. Opulensya. Omas. Touch last for sure. White ball. White ball. White ball. Again, binabamamuli po tayo yun. Villalaba. Jain. Oy, 3-second violation ka, boy. Naipit. 4-1 po. Talagang siguro nagsusukatan sila ng lakas ngayon. Itong both teams na to, parang boxing. Mga niya pa magsisipag-atake yan. Pag uminit na talaga. And Joko Sale. Back to the ball game ulit po tayo. Okay, Omas. Clark. Pops up, malakas. Okay, out of bounds. Back to the projects muli po tayo at 7:04 remaining sa ating ligang ito. Jain to Villalaba, number 99. Omas against Omas. Villalaba, 6 seconds away. Nando, hindi handa yung pinasahan. Balik muli po sa team Cas ang bola at 6:47 remaining. 4-1 ang score pa rin po natin. Para mga boksingero, nagsusukatan pala ng jab tsaka ng suntok. Mamaya pag uminit na yan, dyan na talaga raratsada ang dalawang koponan nito. Okay, again, put back again by Mr. Gozum. 6-1 ang score po natin. And Villalaba, number 99. Villalaba, number 99. Simil, composition. Villalaba, no good. Rebound again. Kick pass kay Umas. Umas, malakas. And Jain, 6 seconds away. Jain, palpal, isa. Nice block. Umas. 2 points Omas. Turn around shot made by Omas. Jain again. Pops up. 2 points Rolon. 2 points. 8 3-point score. A 5-point lead advantage being still enjoyed by Cas. And Rolon. Gozum. Wala. Gozum, nice tap. Semil, wala pa rin. Kick pass kay Villalaba. Touchdown. 2 points Villalaba. Masyado malo. Sorry, 2 points. Villalaba, 2 points. Touchdown kagad. Nice, ng number 6. 16. Naipit. Foul. 5 seconds, sorry. 5 seconds violation. 5:01 remaining. Second 5 po, tinatawagan na po. Okay, tinatawagan na. Second 5 po, per cast po, for sure. Nandiyan na si Lumawag. Number 10, si Tan, si Armando, at sino big man nila? Arnado, Tan, number 10, Lumawag, and last but not the least, sino pang 5? Okay, si number 11. Kabila na po, of course, nandiyan po, of course, yung Visto Brothers, nandiyan na si number 25, si number 3, at si number 0. Lumawag. Nice steal by Visto. Visto Brothers, nandiyan na rin. Visto again. Nice pass, nope. Isa pa. 2 points. Okay, 8-7, 4:34 remaining. This will be a good game we have now. Ramos, number 10, Tan, number 19. Nandito si Lumawag, 2 points na yan. Scott is watching already also. And to Mr. Visto. The brothers po, nandiyan na. Visto Brothers. Pops up. 3 points, Visto. Visto 3 points. 10 all po tayo. Unang deadlock of the game now. Madulas ang konti. Lumawag. Tan, nakalusot. Pops up. No good. Lumawag. Hindi po na umabot ang bola. Bisto nakalusot si Bisto. Bisto against Armado. Kick pa sa kapitid niyang si Bisto din. Pops up. Kapos. Rebound by Tan. Tan on the run. Armado. Kapos. May foul tinawag. Sir Babagay. Tablados po tayo 10 at 3:22 remaining. First quarter action. First quarter action. Again, Armado pops up. Wala. Second shot, Armado. Jumpers ready at 3:22 remaining. Second throw. Pasok. Arnado. 1-point lead given to Mitsu Kas. Shoutout kay Robas Nagbutiga si Prem Game. Please. Okay, shoutout po kay Christian Tan. Robas Tigasin per game from Julius Babagay.
Hello. Pasok Fiesta.
Fiesta, no good. Foul called. Tinulak ni Bisto. Si Lumawag. Okay, Tan, binababa ang bola. Tan, number 10, for 3. Bang! Long Tom. Warning for delay po ang Kas. Okay, binababa po ni number 25. Called for the foul. Foul, Arnado. Jersey number 21, Arnado. Number 3 for the inbound. That's Arnado, sorry. Arnado called for the foul. Visto again for 3. No good. Rebound by Lumawag. Lumawag, nakalusot. Lumawag, dumadiretso. Lumawag, no good. And Arnado, wala rin. Rebound by the center of Pure Projects. And now Visto, number 2. Visto. Difficult shot. No foul. Viena, Arnado to Tan. Tan scaling the defense. Tan. Nope, it's Arnado. Favorite shot. Ayaw niya. Ramos. Lumawag. Tan for 3. No good. Rebound by Visto. Visto. Nagmamadali si Visto. Visto again. Pinasa kay Visto rin. Visto number 2. Shoutout kay Escat po. Sabi ni Babagay. Jestan. 2 points. Number 8. Number 8, 2 point, 14-12. 14-12 ang score po natin. Tan. Hoy! Foul called. Foul number 1, Visto. Okay, Lumawag. And Tan for 3 rather. No good. Rebound by the Visto. Visto against Lumawag. And to number 25. The Fiesta. El Nur pops up for 3. Wala. Rebound battle won by the white shirts. El Nur. Visto. The Fiesta. And one play ginawa nila. Nice shot. Nice patient play ng QR Projects. What a patient play ng QR Projects po tayo. 14 all na lang po tayo. Number 25 shooting for the bonus free throw. Bonus free throw po tayo. 25. Pasok. Okay, lamang na naman ang the Projects. And Tan scaling again the defense. Arnado against Al Nur. Pops up. Bola. Ayos ah. Buti na may matangkad. Okay. Your project's ball. El Nur inbounding kay Visto. Visto number 2. El Nur. Jesta. No good. Rebound. Tan nakawala. Di na makontrol. Against El Nur. Against Pira. Pira pops up. 3-second violation called. El Nur. Number 3, El Nur. Check pass. Ayun na. Visto J. Nakalusot kay Hina. Visto. Nakakuha ng block. And nandun si 25. Visto for 3. Bang! 3 points. What a patient play ginagawa po ngayon ng QR Projects. The score right now is 14-18. Idol. 14-18 in favor po ng The Project. Second game for tonight now is now being played now between The Projects, clad in white, and of course, nandiyan po ang CAS or plain po and brown or maroon combination po yan. Rivera. Gozum. Sila, nasa loob na rin. Si Isa, nandiyan muli. Gozum. Rivera. Sila. Rivera again. Rivera. Isa. Kumposisyon. Sila for 2. No good. Rebound by... And... Same ball. Nice tap out by Jose. Please take po this. The same Jose po. The first play of the ball game po nila. Nung naglaro po against the Hub. Yung panalo po nila. Number 30 is also in also. That's all din po. Pops up. Rivera. No good. And rebound by the white shirts. Jose, driving strong. Jose! Naka-steroids. Bukasan lang konti. Naka-steroids pa. Rivera, number 16. Gozum for 3. No good. Nice D. By number 6. By number 9. Opilencia. Again, balik mo naman sa white shirts ang bola. That's number 12. Jose, sa ilalim, 2 points, Jose, 2 points ang kanilang sentro. Kumakana na rin, 14-20. Cass still behind now by 6 points at 8:40 remaining, second quarter action. Sila, Rivera, number 16. Rivera, driving strong. Gozum, no good, and rebound again by the white shirts. 26, that's Guerzon. Mayorga for 3. No good. Rebound by Rivera. Rivera naipit. Rivera, binababa ang bola. Rivera. 2 points Rivera. 4-point lead advantage again now. 8-16-20 at 8:05 remaining. Jose. Mayorga. Lavinia. And nandun si Rivera. Rivera nakakuha ng tira. Nakakuha ng bola. Gozum. 2 points Gozum. Okay, ito na po. Are you okay? Ano? Napasa mabagsak. Okay, Jose down to Lavinia. Sermas Bang is watching already also. Lavinia pops up. Blue shirts in and out. Gerson, out of bounds. Hindi pumasok. Nakuha Jose na naman ang bola. Jose driving strong. Stripped away by Sila. Jane. Mayorga. Jose for 3. No good. Rebound na by Gozon. Binababa ang bola against Nato Rivera. 2 points. Deadlock muli po tayo. Salamat sa Jolens si Rivera. Nakabilik pong buli pong Cass. Jose again. Jose called for a foul. Ang Cass, that will be who? Number 18, Sila called for a foul. Aris Sila called for a foul. 6:57 remaining. Labinya. Jain pops up. 2 points, Jain. Okay, lamang na naman ang Team Projects. The Projects again on the lead. 2022. Nice cut by Opulencia. 2 points. 2 points Opulencia. Bawal yung huy daw ha. Paalala. Bench quorum yan. And Lavarias. Number 27. Jain against Isa. Mayorga. Posisyon. Jose driving strong. No good. Jain lalabas. Jose. Foul. There's a foul committed. Number 34, Isa called for a foul. Jose shooting for 2. Jose, first shot. It's out. Jose, second throw. Jumper shot ready. Second free throw. Jumper shot for Jose. Pops up. No good. Rebound by 26. Jose again. Mayorga, umigay. Jose for 3. No good. Rebound by 26. 2 points, 26. What a putback. 22-24. Again, Rivera. Binababa ang bola. Siyang skipper ngayon. Siya nagtitimon. Sila. Pops up. No good. Nice one by Gozon. Go sa ilalim. Dugot. Nando si Jain. Jose. No good. Fumble. Rivera. Sila. Nice one by Jose. Hoy! Out of bounds. Tumapak sa linya.
Last possession. Rivera, second unit. 5 minutes, 23 seconds.
5 minutes, 20 seconds remaining. Rivera, number 16. For 3. No good. Rebound. Walang foul. Ayun, may bisa Isa. Wala mo rin. Jain. Mayorga. 2 points. Time. Change players po tayo. Palit pair po tayo. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much. Okay.
5:01 remaining.
5:01 remaining. Second quarter action. Lamang pa rin po ng 4 ang The Projects. Okay, Caspo for the inbound. Nice of the umas. Nandun and one play kay Lumawag. Lumawag 2 points.
Foul minute, jersey number 0.
Jersey number 0 called for a foul. Lumawag shooting for the bonus free throw. The score is 24-26. Bonus shot point para kay Lumawag. Pops up. It's out. Rebound battle won by the white shirts. Rolyon. Then Villalaba again. Villalaba, 6 sides way. Pops up, kapos. Rebound by Tan. Binato na ako Umas. Nando si Arnado, kapos. Arnado Umas, 2 points Umas. Selfless play by Arnado. Arcano. Uy! Back in violation siya doon. Mulon pala, mulyon. Mulyon pala. Okay, back to the board game. Muli po tayo. 26 all tight, 4:02 remaining. Lamang both teams na tablado po tayo. And Tan. Wala. Lumawang. Binitin. Foul. Foul. Semil called for the foul. Lumawag, number 4, shooting for 2 at 3:47 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter action. Basket made. Okay, lamang muli po ang cast ng isa. 27-26. Okay, Bill Edman is watching. Tapos ang bola. 3:47 remaining. Bolyon. Villalaba, si Semil nako, malakas ang pasa. Hindi ba? Turn around. 33-36 remaining. 27-26 again. Tan, at on the attack ang Cas. Arnado. Tan for 3. No, it's Lumat. Si Lumawag, 2 points. Nice cut by Lumawag like a butter on the hot knife on a butter. Ang talim ng cut na yun, parang blade. And Semil driving strong. Foul called on number 11. Ramos called for the foul. Semil, number 0, shooting for 2. The score is 29-26. Lamang po ang team Cas. 29-27. Ari ko. Semil, number 0, pops up. 2 points. Cas. Tan. Nice cut. Tumawag rin. Torpedovic shot. Fiesta. Oy! Good ball. Walang tawa. Good ball. Semil. Villalaba. Malakas. Mulyon. Nice cut. Defense now. Cas on the run. Cas. Number 21. Arnado against. And one play binigay ni Arnado. 2 points. Plus bonus free throw. Foul on number 99. Villalaba. The score is 21, 31, 28. Naman na po ng tatlo ang Team Cas. First shot. Pasok. Okay, basket made. 4-point advantage now by Cas.
Back to 4-point lead.
Semil, pilitin. Hop. Same ball. 9 seconds remaining. Pops up. Mulyon. No good. Rebound by Tan. Binababa ang bola. Tan. Arnado. Again. Paid. Hook shot. Arnado. Nope. Is Mulyon nandun. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Lumawag. Tan. 1:44 remaining. Laman po ng 4 ang Cas. Tan for 3. No good. Nice recovery by Arnado. Tan. Lulok. Pass and from play. Binigay niya ni Lumawag. 2 points. A minute and 31 remaining. And time out po ang The Projects.
That's your second personal foul.
Time out na Pure Projects. Sorry ah. Okay, back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game. 1 minute 31 seconds.
A minute and 31 seconds remaining. Jersey number 4 lumawag for the bonus free throw. Lumawag, bonus free throw po tayo. It's in. 35-28, completing for the third 3-point play. Laman po ng 7 na ngayon ng CAS. Projects.
Your projects now.
Projects.
14 shot line.
Driving, Villalaba. Nice pass. Ayun! Rolon! Molyon, 2 points. And Tan, binababa ang ball ni Tan. Tan, pops up. No good. Rebound. Chesta for the rebound. Simil. Lumawag natin sa laro. Nagpinapantay yung passing lane. Tan. Lumawag. Nipit. Palpal. Ginalaban naman. No good. Lost the ball. Foul called. Nice hustle by Villalaba.
Shot clock 14.
Okay, 14 seconds shot clock din po tayo. 33 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter. Lumawag. Stealing. Eto na sumas. Sumas. Kapos. Villalaba. Molyon. Arnado. Binababambola ni Arnado. Arnado Simil. Pop. Malakas. Molyon. Nando na naman sa taas. Hey! Tumapak sa linya. 5 seconds remaining. 35-30. Chance to put away in a good fashion para to trim down the league para sa Pure Projects. Villalaba. Papa de Testa. No good. Okay, second quarter. Kalas. Finish na po.
2 minutes break.
Ano sir? Mamila. Okay, Erico. Okay, you're watching it. The final game for the day is CAS versus the Projects. Ang score po natin is 35-30. This is your aviation-friendly league, Dabas of Flying League. Mula dito ang final sponsors, Team LBC Harin Padala, Thread Needles. Saan po natin po dyan ang SBB Pilipinas or SBB Doha at PSB Basketball League. And of course, you're watching right now is CAS versus the Projects. Final game po tayo po sa ating Saturday basketball action. Okay, si Armando Rivera is watching, yes. Si Armando Rivera is watching, Samsung Gabi is watching also. Shoutout kay Scott, sabi ni, Den Arjo Masbang. Madam Jonas Selero Comar is watching. Si Scott, nandyan po niya, nanonood po si Scott. Let's go, Project, sabi ni Montesilio. Si Maverick Velez watching also. Si Sir Montisil is watching also. Siguro nakakalihat sila. Naka-duty sila yung iba. Wala si Rodriguez, wala si Montisilio. Where are they? Adrian So is watching. Maraming salamat po. And back to the ball game po tayo ngayon. The score is 35-30.
Back to the ball game.
Third quarter action will start right now in 3, 2, 1. Okay, third quarter po. Ito po, Visto. Visto Brothers. Nandiyan po si number 27, si Jain at si Jose. Sa kabila naman, si Isa, si Rivera, si 22, si Gozun at si Opulencia number 9. Okay, Visto Brothers nandiyan po. Sabi ni Red Natipad, go Cas. Okay. Let's go Cas. Sabi ni Red Natipad. Jose for 3. No good. Rebound by Opulencia. Rivera. Hope out of bounds. And Visto R. Mayorga pops up. No good. Jain, number 77. Visto again. No good pa rin. Rebound by Jose. Jose, 2 points. What a putback by Jose. Jose, number 32. 2 points. 35-32. Lamang po ng tatlo. Clark. Rivera. Rivera again. Rivera. Clark for 2. No good. Rebound by Jose. Tower rebound by Jose. Visto nakawala. Visto zigzagging its way. Pasok. Lamang ng isa na naman ang Team Cas. Visto Brothers na nanalasa. Clark against number 27, Mayorga. Rivera. Dukot, malalim. Jain naman, may rebound. Jain, oy. Foul. Jersey number 28, Gozong Court para foul. Jose for the inbound. Yung kanila sentro. And si Visto. Kay Jain to Visto again. Jose, nice stop from behind. Visto, 3 points. 3 points by Visto. Number 2, Visto, 3 points. Clark. Rivera. 3-second violation. Jose. Visto number 1. Visto again. Mayorga. Jain. Visto. Visto number 2. Visto. Jain. Jose. No good. Rebound by the red shirts. The brown shirts. Ay. Wala. Rivera. No good. Rebound battle now. White shirts. Mayorga. Jain. 2 points. Jain. Steal, Jose. Okay, balik muli po sa 6 na naman ang kalamangan. 35-41. Napako na po sa 35 po ang Cas. 6:39 remaining sa ating third quarter action. Rivera. Gozun. Attacking. Foul. May foul. Okay, substitution muna po tayo. Of course, papasok si Lumawag para kay Isa. Si Clark din papasok na rin para kay Tan. Mukhang magsusolidify na po ang team Cass. Sa kabila ng force, nandiyan pa rin po yung Visto Brothers. Villalaba, si Jesta. Papsa Rivera, no good. Rebound battle. Jain. Villalaba, number 99. Villalaba. Malakas. Rebound and white ball. White ball po tayo, white ball. And Jose, wala. Rebound Jose, wala rin. Jersey number 4 called for the committing the foul against Visto. Visto pops up, offline a shot. Rivera, binababa ang bola. Rivera, wala. Rianto si Lumawag, 2 points. What a trail play by Lumawag. Talaga nagkakayan. Talaga magkapatid yatin dalawa yun eh. Yan ang parang Matt and Jeff combination ng Cass. Si Rivera at si Lumawag. Jose, driving strong. Jose, no good. Rebound by the brown shirts. Rivera again on the run. Matake si Rivera. Kick pass kay Gozun. Palpal. Walang rebounder. Jose again, 37-41. Laban po ng 4. Villalaba. Fiesta, wala. Nice guard play by Luma. Visto for 3. Bang! 3 points for Visto. Visto, 3 points. The new kid in town. Nakalamang pa rin. Tan. No good. Jane, binababang bola. Jane. Substitution made now. Arnado, labas muna para kay Arnado, pasok muna para kay Mr. Gozun. Para timilis kay Gozun. And Rivera to Tan. Rivera. Tan for 3. Dop, it's Lumawag. Nando, may nagbabantay kagad. Tan. Out of bounds. 9 seconds to shoot. Rivera. Palpal Jose. Ito na naman si Jain. Villalaba. Jose. 2 points Jose. Jose 2 points. Tan. Arnado. Rivera. No good. Ayan na naman Jose. Ayan na si Villalaba. Nag-isa. Villalaba, 2 points. And timeout called by Cass. Cass called for the timeout. They want to settle things fast. Di nagugustuhan ni Coach Roland ang kanilang nangyari po ngayon. The score is 37-48 at 11-point advantage now by Team Projects. Team Projects enjoying an 11-point lead at 3:46 remaining. Okay, balik ulit tayo sa laro po ngayon. Arnado, impounding. Binababa, si Tan. Si Lumawag nandiyan, si Gozo nandiyan din, pati si number 10. Gozun. Pops up. Benji, no good. Rebound. Hoy! Traveling violation by Jose. Jose go for the travel. Lena for the inbound. And Lumawag. Arnado, palpal. Burado ni Jose. Binura ni Jose ang tira ni Arnado. 12 seconds remaining, 12 seconds to shoot. Lena. Lumawag. Lumawag, Labisyong. Lumawag. Wala. Rebound, Boise. Boise. Fiesta, malakas. Kick pass with Binalaba. Shot away. Same ball. Nice guard. Nice hands by Tan. 2:40 remaining. Still swipe away. Arnado. Lost the ball. Jose. Nice. Behind the back pass. Jose for 3. No good. Laban nak-rebound. For 3. No, kaya niya. Fiesta. Jane driving show. 2 points. Sana. Out of bounds. Same ball. Sabi, same ball. Jane, labas muna para kay Asimil. Nice game by Jane. Tan, binababa ang bola. Tan. Gozun. Lumawag for 3. No good. Game of Belse. Binalaba against Lena. Binalaba, zigzag pass. So no good na Lena. Kundi na ng bola. Foul ko. Jersey number 26 called for the foul. Lumawag, pinagpahinga muna para sa fourth quarter action. Tan for the inbound. Nice catch. Tan, number 19, Tan. Pops up. No good still. Rebound, Opilencia. Malakas. Rebound ba Jose? Jose. Nice swipe ko by Opilencia. Opilencia binaba ang bola. Gozo na walang bola. And nice by Semil. Jose. Tapos. Isa called for a foul. Jersey number 34, Isa. Pangalo pa ng Isa, 55 seconds remaining. Lamang pa rin po ng 11 ang Projects Overcast. Isa, wala. First shot ni Jose, wala po. Second throw, jumpers ready. Jumpers ready, pops up. Wala. Opilencia. Tan, driving show. Foul. Jersey number 10 scope for a foul. Substitution. Gozun. Para kay Ramos. Okay, Tan, first shot is good. Laman po na 10. 49 seconds remaining. Second shot by Tan. Pops up. In and out. Isa pa daw. Nauna. Pinasukan kagad.
49 seconds game clock.
Tan. Pops up. It's out. Isa. Sayang. Hindi tumama. Jose. Tapos. Rebound battle now. Tan. Nagpapagay. Semil. Foul. Foul called.
Foul committed. Jersey number 30 seconds.
Wala pa. Lena blocked. white shirt. 3-second violation. Hindi na nakawala. Hindi nakalabas na si Villalaba. 16 seconds remaining. Villalaba, wala pa rin. No foul. Isa, pops up, offline. Wala. Okay, after 3 quarters naman po ng 10 po ang The Projects. Score is 38-48 sa ating laban na ito. Teka lang. Okay. This is your Aviation Friendly League, Dabas sa Flying League. Ito po yan. Would like to name the following sponsors: Team LBC at Thread and Needles. Team LBC, hari ng padala po yan, and Thread and Needles. And SPP Doha. And of course, PSP Basketball League. And nandiyan po rin po tayo, final game po tayo between Projects and CAS. Final game po tayo po sa ating Saturday night basketball action. Okay, back to the ball game ulit po tayo. Final quarter, 38-40. Lamang pa rin po ang The Projects. Ito na, solid ito. Okay, final quarter now. Si Rivera, lumawag. Number 9, Opulencia, Tan, at si Arnado. Kabilaan po si number 3, si Diesta Brothers. Number 15. And of course, nandiyan po si number 3 at si Jose, number 32. Tan, 3 points, no good. Visto. Yung kumakana ng 3 points. Jose, malakas. Balik. Rivera. Ayun na, nag-kombinasyon ng Martin Jeff nila. Tan for 3, no good. Rebound by Arnado. Nice D by Rolion. Visto nakalusot. Visto. 2 points Visto. Jolens. Sancho Matay Sanders watching. So naka-duty at si Sir Sander. Tsaka isa. Dalawa yun eh. Yung foul. Si Sancho yata naka-duty yata, pati isa, dalawa yun eh. Yung papamatay sunog ni Sir ni Coach Roland. Kaya wala dito. And of course, naka-duty rin yata si Ran, if you're wondering. Walang pinasahan, mali pinasahan. Visto at 12-point lead already advantage. Visto. Nice defense. Rolion still completed. Tumawag, inbounding. Tan, pops up. Wala pa rin. Lumawag, 2 points and 1 play. Basket made. 8:19 remaining. Lamang po na 10 still ang The Projects. Lumawag. No good. Rebound by the white shirts. Mulyon. Jose, palpal. Tan. Rivera. 2 points. Okay, 2 points. Lamang po ng ng walang 8. Arcano, naipit. Arcano. Double shirt, keeper shirt, and Alnur. Alnur, 2 points. Saan ang galing yun? Alnur, 2 points. Opulencia for 3. No good. Bisto, naka-rebound.
Pure Projects. Visto.
Bisto, 2 points. Clear point dito naman. 7:16 remaining. Opulencia. Tan. Pops up for 3. Yun, pumasok din sa makas. Okay, 9-point advantage still enjoyed by team The Projects. El Nur, number 3. Stripped away by Rivera. Pambatang Quiapong kamay ni Rivera talaga. Mandurukot. Okay, Jose. Pambatang Quiapo talagang kami ni Rivera. El Nur for 3. Saan ang galing yun? Rebound. Arcano. Out of bounds. Rivera. Brown ball. Brown ball. And Tan, number 19. Tan, binababa ang bola. Ariel Amampang is watching also. Tan for 3. Kapos. Hindi lang umano, hindi pumasok. Bisto. El Nur for 3. Ayaw. Balipilisahan. Lumawag. On the attack. Lumawag. Foul. Foul on Bisto number 2. Okay, papasok na rin. Molyon, lalabas muna. Yung isang Bisto, papasok na rin. Along with number 8. Lumawag, first shot. It's good. Ay po yan, may still on the turn, the basketball still left. 46-54, laman po ng 8. Second shot. No good. Rebound battle by the red shirts, the brown shirts. Tan, sinubo. 2 points. Timeout called by QR Projects. Ariel Amampang is watching also. Ariel Amampang is watching. May 8 viewers right now. 5:58 remaining at the score is 48-54. Lamang na lang po ng 6 ang The Projects. Hindi pa, wala pa yung mga starters dyan. Wala pa si Batay Sander. Wala pa yung kasi. Wala yung Serrano rin. Naka-duty yata parate. Justin Serrano.
Both teams with 2 timeouts.
Wala rin yung Canton. Wala rin yung Bautista.
Pure Project.
Tayo naka-duty. Back to the ball game. Muli po tayo. Jose. Jain. Sancho. Laban. Casboy. Sabi niya, with a flexing muscle. Bisto. Number 8. No good. Rebound pero na by Jose. No look pass, Jose. Bisto. 3 points, Bisto. Pamatay sunog. 48-57. Again, a 9-point lead advantage again by Cas. Over Cas by Projects. Matayas. No hit. Umawi ka si Rivera. 3 points. 51-57. 5 till remaining. Mahaba pa yan. It's still an alternative basketball left here in this ball game. Jose. 2 points, Jose. What a move, Jose. 8-point lead naman tayo. Is it a 3-point or a drive? Lumawag. Rivera. 2 points, Rivera. Rivera slicing like a hot knife over butter. And Jain. Bisto, number 1. Bisto, number 2. Pumuposisyon sa aking 3-point area. Jose. Nakalusot. Jose, wala. Rebound na by number 9. Opulencia. Ito na. Rivera, 2 points. Dinipit ang kalaban. Saan ang galing yun? And Jain, number 77. Jain, Detesta. Cristo, thinking 3. Ayaw. Nakako ng pick. Cristo, 2 points for Cristo. 55-62 again. A 7-point advantage again by team Pure Projects over CAS. Lumawa. Opulensya. Arnado. No good. Rebound, Belse. Kick pass now. Cristo. Malakas. Rebound by Tan. Lumawag. 2 points. Okay, lamang ng 5. 5-point advantage. Again, Visto. Jain. 2 points. 2:58 remaining. Okay, time out muna po ang CAS. (57-64), 2 minutes, 2:56 remaining. CAS trailing behind, 55-64 rather. CAS trailing behind by
Official score 55-64.
9 points. CAS behind by 9 points. Okay, pakicheck lang. Bongsi natin check yata yun, no, yung official score. Okay. The official score is 11 points po pala, 55-66. I think merong kinokontest po yata pong CAS yata sa scoring. Okay, check muna po. Official score po tayo. I-check po yung official score po.
Official score
Okay.
66-57.
Okay, official score 66-57. Okay, and final score ha. Official score 59-66. 59-66. Two 56 remaining, 59-66.
Back to the volley. 7-20.
Tan.
4 jump out.
Gosu. Tan. Nawala bola. Bilalaba. Pisto. 2:35 remaining. Lamang po ng tatlong ito. Bilalaba. Bilalaba din. Traveling ka doon. Naunang hakbang sa Japak. Lumawag. Tan. Rivera. No good. Type in by Tan. Lamang na 5. 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes 10 remaining to be exact. Jain. Jose, driving strong. Nakalusot. Muntik na. Jose shooting for 2. 2 minutes remaining. 61-66. Laman ng 5. First shot. Jose. Kasi, anim. Second throw, Jose. Jumpers ready. Jose, second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Gold basket made. Last 2 minutes. Valencia. Rivera. Lumawag. Rivera. Valencia. Steal by Chain. Traveling variation, Chain. Arman Debara, Bajora is watching. Malayo yan. Masyadong malakas ang Pectus. Lumawag. And one play. Ay, travel revelation. Sorry, travel revelation. Bench decorum. Technical foul on Pure Projects for bench decorum. Rivera shooting for the technical free throw.
Another technical foul.
Double technical foul. Ayan na, thrown out, thrown out. Double. Okay, double technical foul, slap on. Sino yan? On number 37. Okay, another technical foul. Ilang? Tatlo. Bench siguro. First technical. Tatlo. Tansya ko. Bilang ko tatlo. Tatlong technical foul. Binilang ko. Tingnan natin. 4 na tira. Okay, chill lang po tayo ha. Chill lang po tayo ha, both teams. Okay, technical free throws coming up para sa CAS. Bin. Okay. This is interesting. The score is 61. Ilang tayo? Valencia. Ilang free throw bibigay? Okay, wala pa. Sige, okay. This is interesting. Sunod-sunod po na technical foul ang tinawag po sa Qatar Projects. The score is 61-68. There are 3 technical free throws given, awarded sa CAS. Bench decorum. And also, 2 technical fouls po sa isang pair po ng first shot made. Second throw, Rivera. Sayang. Last throw, Rivera for the technical free throw. 62-68 na yan. Okay. The score is 63-68. 63-68. Laman po ng 5 ang CAS. 1 minute 29 remaining.
1 minute 29.
Jose. Foul.
12 minutes, jersey number 28.
Hindi pa yata. Wala pa penalty.
jersey number 28. That's
Goes-
your second personal foul, second team foul.
Okay, I think they will go for the penalty po para po hirap yung oras.
Gas, 2 team fouls.
Cash inbounding. Cash guarding. Square Prowlis inbounding.
Heads up, heads up.
Full court
Play with
press.
your body, not with your hands.
Full court press.
Okay.
Visto, binabata ni Gozum.
Foul committed.
Foul
Jersey
again.
number 28.
By 28, Gozum, back-to-back fouls committed.
Third team foul.
I think they want to go to penalty.
1 minute, 21 seconds.
Jose,
Same ball.
same ball. Gozum guarding Jane. Jose,
Jose.
foul.
Foul committed by jersey number 4. Warning for penalty. Lumawa.
Lumawag, called for the foul. Second person foul, one for penalty po ang Cass. Job Gambit is watching. Sir Aquinos is watching
1
also.
minute, 80 seconds.
And penalty situation.
Committed, jersey number 16. Last time up.
Timeout not called by Cass.
QR Project.
QR Projects also. Cass called for the last timeout. Now, penalty situation upon Cass. They can have the option to stop the clock always through fouls. The score is 63-68. Naman po na 5 ang the Projects. Kulang-kulang pa yung partner pa yun. Ano pa yung Cass? Kulang-kulang pa sila. Walang Serrano, walang Bautista, walang ano. Walang Bautista, walang Anton.
Back to the ball game.
Wala pa yung dalawa, yung mga shot
Penalty. Rivera. That's your first personal foul.
Okay, penalty situation. Team Cass. Villalaba, number 99, shooting for 2. Villalaba, 99, first shot. Pasok.
Bench. Panakpak sa bench, baka mamaya bigla pa technical pen.
Second throw. Villalaba. Post basket made. Lamang na ng pito naman. Lumawag. Rivera. Binababa ang bola. Rivera against Jose. Lumawag. Kick. Panag siya in.
Here comes Jose. Lay it.
Jose, 2 points. Tan.
Lay it.
Tan, 2 points.
42
Okay, laman ng pito. Laman ng pito. Foul.
Jersey number 19.
Ayos. Ayos. Jane shooting for 2. 41 seconds remaining. It's out. Second throw by Jane. Lamang ng pito. 41 seconds remaining. Jane, second throw. Jumper shot rin tayo.
Jane, second try.
No good. Rebound. Kay Lumawag. Lumawag. May chance pa yan. Rivera for 3. No. Galang. Rivera. Rivera. Tan. Tan. And one play. Tan. 2 points. And one play. 26 seconds remaining. Tan. Number 19. Bonus free throw coming up. Tan. Tan. Bonus free throw coming up. Basket made. Novitz Lumawag. Loses it. Foul. Sayang yung sayang yung ano. Jose shooting for 2.
Jersey number 4. Third personal foul.
Jose shooting for 2. Yung tip in, hindi na shoot ng ano, hindi na Lumawag. Jose. 2 shots. First shot, Jose. It's out. 24 seconds remaining. 55. Second shot, Jose.
24 seconds remaining for the final quarter.
Bansasir. Laman ng 6. Lumawag. Lumawag. Rivera, pumabisyon na. Rivera.
15 seconds.
2 points.
12 seconds.
673.
12 seconds.
Laman ng 4. Foul. Maybe. Tinawag foul. Foul on Tan Visto in the line. 10 seconds remaining. Visto shooting for 2.
4-point lead.
Visto shooting for 2. It's out. Second shot. Laman ng 4 lang yan. Isang 3 points lang yan. At bantay. Quick 2, bantay din yan. Ganun pa rin yan. And Visto, second throw by Visto. It's made. Okay, insurance pass. Rivera. Good ball. Goes on for 3. Okay, that's it. Congratulations. Win number 3. Still, wala pa nagpuntalo. QR Projects. With it, a good game po. Binigay din po ng cash. You have watched now Aviation Friend Dabas sa Flying League. We'd like to first thank the following sports we have to before we go. Try the Niels and Team LBC Harin Padala. Sama po natin po dyan po SBB Pilipinas, MPSUG Basketball League. You've watched now QR Projects versus CAS. Maraming salamat po and thank you very much. God bless po sa ating lahat.